If you blinked in 2025, you would probably miss a Google product launch. We started the year waiting for Gemini 2.0, and we ended it with a model called Nano Banana. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about AI tools that's actually changing how we work and create.
And 2025 was the year Google stopped just making chatbots and started building an entire creative ecosystem.
From the new reasoning power of Gemini 3 Pro to the filmmaking studio inside Flow to the marketing beast Pomili, this year changed the game. Today, I'm breaking down every major AI tool Google launched in 2025 and how they all connect to the apps you already use and which ones you should actually care about. First, let's untangle the models because we went through 3 generations in 12 months. Gemini 2.0 became available for everyone. It was the reliable daily driver that replaced the old models. And then mid-year, we had Gemini 2.5. This was a massive step up in coding and multimodal understanding. Currently, we have Gemini 3 Pro with the reasoning model. It does not just answer questions, it thinks before it speaks. You can use this model for complex maths, writing code, or even drafting a thesis. And just weeks ago, we got Gemini 3 Flash. This is lightweight, speed demon version of Gemini 3 Pro. It has a massive context window and runs instantly. It is best to use Gemini 3 Pro for hard problems and Gemini 3 Flash when you need to analyze huge documents without waiting. Now, for creators, if you make videos, 2025 was your year. We started with Veo 2 fixing the physics glitches, but Veo 3 model is Hollywood grade. The lighting, the texture, the consistency, it's so good. But the real magic isn't the model, it's the app. It's called Flow. Flow is Google's new AI filmmaking studio. It uses Veo 3 to generate clips, but it lets you edit them on a timeline. You can drag and drop and extend shots. It's a full video editor app. And then for images, we have Nano Banana Pro. I know the name is hilarious, but this is Google's most efficient on-device image generator. It makes the cleanest text on image graphics we've ever seen. Now, if you are building a brand or a business owner, there are 3 Google AI tools you cannot ignore. We have the Mixboard, Opal, and the new Pomili. Mixboard is an infinite whiteboard with a brain. You can throw images and notes onto it, and the AI organizes it into mood boards automatically. Opal is for vibe coders. You don't need to know how to code in Python or whatever programming language. You just need to tell Opal, build me this, for example, build me a weight loss app, and it will write the code, host the app, and give you the link. And finally, Pomili. This was launched late in the year, and it basically replaces the social media agency for small businesses. You just need to paste your website's URL into Pomili. It scans your website and extracts what is called your business DNA. That is your fonts, your colors, and your tone. And then it can automatically generate weeks of Instagram posts and ads and emails that look exactly like your brand. It is very efficient. But here is why I would say Google won in 2025. It's the integration. You don't need to open separate tabs to use this tool anymore. For example, in Google Docs, Gemini 3 Pro is baked right in there. You can highlight a paragraph and ask it to rewrite it or check your citations. In Google Slides, we have the Nano Banana Pro. At your sidebar, you can just type a prompt and then it will generate images directly onto your slides. And don't forget Notebook LM. It is now powered by Gemini 3, making those audio overviews or audio podcasts where we'll have 2 AI hosts that discusses your note or PDF. Before I go, this year, Google also announced that the Google AI Pro plan is free for university students. I made a full video on how to access this, and I'll be dropping the link in the description. This means that as students, you have access to Gemini 3 Pro, Veo 3, and the advanced Notebook LM features at 0 cost. There is honestly too much to cover in one video. If you want a full technical breakdown of everything we talked about, you can read the 2025 Year in Review by Google. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Go check that out and let me know in the comments which of these AI tools have been very helpful for you or which one that you are planning to explore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.